Okay. Let's go ahead and hop in our left viewport. Let's do some editing here. We're gonna make this bottom part flat because that's the way it is. So let's hit F3. Right click on your snaps up top. Do vertex only, so clear all. Then vertex. Hit S to turn your snaps on. Go to your move tool. And start dragging these bottom guys up. Hold control to move fast. Like this. Zoom out a bit. Hold control. Okay. Let's address this spot now. Hit F3. Press S to get out of your snaps. And let's collapse this. So right click your edit poly if you have it over here and then collapse to. Okay, now let's move this right up next to that. Go to your polygon mode on this tail piece, grab it all. Alt select that, do a bevel. Now this spot's obviously not super low poly, but we're not going to worry about that. So hit your bevel settings and then drag them out to right there. And then this one gets real small. So looks like it's almost sharp on the images if you look at them. Like this one on the end. Okay, so get out of your polygon mode, drag this over here. Okay, alright, now grab that tail piece again, go to your perspective, and you can see how all that stuff's screwed up. So let's go grab the body piece, go on your top view. This is the inside of the wing, so don't be confused, or that's that inside wing actually. So we'll just label that quick. Middle wing. Okay, grab this now. Go to your vertex mode. Excuse me. Hit Alt X for see-through mode. And looks like I screwed up one down there. Let's do an Alt Q. Hit Z again now. Okay, so we just don't even have it coming at all. So we got one vert there. So let's just go ahead and hit 4 if this happened to you. If it didn't, you can skip ahead a little bit. So just hit 2 now, and then shift drag on your Y. And shift drag one more time. And go to your vertex mode. Go to... My right click is really touchy, so let's go to target weld and weld her up. Alright. Go to do it again. There we go. Now let's go to our left view and hit snaps again. And move this up and move that up. Okay, exit isolation mode. Yep, looks good and flat down there now. Now you can head back to your top view. Let's grab all these verts and let's move them. Whoa, turn snaps off. Okay, bring them in a bit. Bring these ones in a bit. And then I just Alt deselected a couple of those. That's a little too much. Whatever, just eyeball it. Alt select those ones. Then this one really comes in. Alt select and match it up with those to the best of your ability. Okay. And now what we can do is get out of vertex mode, select that piece, do an Alt Q on those, zoom in back here. Alright, let's grab this piece. Let's find the top middle one. Right there. Okay. So now, I think you get where we're going. Grab this other piece. So the top middle one's right here. So I'm going to get out of edge mode. I'm going to grab this other piece. I'm going to hit 1, and then I'm going to snap all these to the verts on this. So let me hit S and move it there. See, now it's as close as it's going to get. I actually grabbed more than one, so that's why that got screwed up. So now let's go to the next one. And I'll go to the next one. And I'll go to the next one. This might look really jacked up right away, but we'll fix it as usual. Okay, let's just grab one there. Snaps is very useful. I didn't use it very much till I did the dozer tutorial. And that guy used it all the time, and it was just awesome. So it's a great tutorial. So now that that one is aligned to the center, we can grab it on just the X and align it to it. Grab this one, grab it on just the X, align it to the next one. Grab this one on just the X, align it to the next one. Do that with this guy too. Just grab it on just the X, align it. And then you can just keep going like from 1 to 1. The good thing is if you make a mistake with this, it's not too noticeable. So X is 29996. Alright, so I think we're good there. So let's exit isolation mode. Hop in our left viewport. Okay, that piece is looking decent now. One other thing we got to do is zoom in on this back piece here in perspective mode, and then zoom out. Is this piece, and what we want to do, don't want to grab those ones, just grab these guys and just lift them straight up. This piece isn't exactly thick enough. So let's grab these edges then. And do something like that, make it real big. Alright, so now take this edge here if you got it, and do a right click, and then do a cut, or wherever that is. I'm going to cut from this vert straight down. If I can do that, so I'm going to deselect everything, go to cut, grab this, and cut it down. There. So I got a couple verts there, but after I target weld this one, I should be able to target weld this one. Oops, don't want to target weld it to itself. So let's target weld this guy. Oops. Right click, go to target weld. Wow, where's target weld over here? Click it. And then take that one and bring it down if we could, but we can't. So let's try control backspacing that one, and now let's see if we can go to your vertex mode. Let's try target welding this one straight down. Okay, let's see if we can target weld it to this or that. There we go. Now I got that piece going right. And let's go ahead and insert a couple of swift loops here. If you don't have swift loop, just use connect. You should know how to do that by now. Just Google hotkey swift loop, or go up to your graphite modeling tools, wherever that is. It's one of these folder looking things. Graphite modeling tools. That takes a second to open up, and it's locking me out. Yeah, if you go under Edit, Swift Loop, there it is. So close that. Let's do a Swift Loop on this spot. I'm going to get out of vertex mode. I'm just going to put a Swift Loop. I'm just going to try putting one in the middle and see how that works, because that works sometimes. A couple other spots. I'm going to grab this edge and move my camera. I'm going to do a Swift Loop right there and back there. Okay, and let's hop in our left viewport. Deselect anything. Let's go up front. I know we're going on 11 minutes. Try to hurry up. Make a sphere. 20. Make it 20 sides, and then we can cut it directly in half. So go to your modify panel, put it at a poly on it. Go to your polygon mode. Grab all these top ones. Hit delete. Hit the 3 button for your border, and then just shift drag straight up. And hit 4. Control A. Go to polygon smoothing groups over here and hit auto smooth. And then grab your quick align tool and click on the body piece. And then let's move this here. Grab your body again, fix these up a little bit if they're really screwed up on yours. Okay. And that should be good enough to drop a turbo smooth on it quick. 2 iterations, isoline display. Hit F4. The back piece is still giving us some issues. We'll look at that some more, so don't worry, I didn't not see it. So we're looking pretty good on our shapes and stuff. That area's a little jacked up, but this is what we're going to do now. We're going to fix this. We're going to get that line cut in here real good, so it looks like there's an actual line in it, like on this one. So anyway, we're going high poly now, so have a good day, and thanks for watching.